Yeah, massive, you don't know, big up every time. I don't know how I stay there, I always excited. I don't know, so when I talk about things, I not dibby talking. And the G this me there so with again. You understand? Me I go call him Mr. Caribbean Vibes Restaurant. You understand? The general. So massive no cuss me out say, me stop the video the last time at Caribbean Vibes Restaurant in the first video. So now I had to come back and do a second part of Church Avenue, which we're going to go the other way. We're going to continue down the road. So before we do that, since a year so we stopped, we decided so we have found us so and starting back from right as so to see exactly which part me there and think me there in the clean restaurant. Me there in the girls them restaurant. Me there in the everybody them restaurant. You understand? Massive, me say me come here so come eat one of the maddest fried rice in my life. And a joke thing me I talk about, and you hear me talk about it on my life. See the boss here? You understand? Talk to them, no man. Tell them say the spot, no man. Tell them the address exactly where me there.
The spot 14, 13.
Yeah, man, we are natural. Yeah. Up again. Watch it. Soup, everything there.
Yeah, man. 1436 National Avenue, man.
That is it. And that's how we there. So massive, it's only fair that we start at the clean, nice restaurant. Because I'm going to talk about the restaurant for a very long time. On the system, I come here, so come give them advertisement and I left out with all dinner. I left out with juice for later. A crazy thing. So you see that generosity thing there, me rate that. Me respect that, and me respect same show Jamaica Walk by Love in a foreign. So we are going to just showcase as we leave out the place. Look good. Nice persons them there, them a prep them food, that nice little blend there. Let me ask you, you're single? You're single or you're married? Which one?
I'm married.
You're married? Yeah. You're lucky.
I'm married.
Because I know some of my followers that just copy you right now, you know. God, you know. Nadine. Yeah. So we're there with Nadine and we're there with the general. You don't know a thing or so. Yeah, I just want to say continue the way I do. Whatever you find right or so, you have it. It lock. It do the right way. And I love the food. I love how you are work as a boss. Yeah. I not just say that because you're being good to me. I thought the God truth.
Yeah, you don't know the lady boss there, see you, you know?
Yeah. I that check for you a while ago, but she made a wave to the camera and say, oh, come in, come in. Yeah. And she not come down. You understand? But big her up for me.
Yeah, man.
You see me I say?
Man, forward to.
That is it.
I give her a call to right away. I tell you, England, I say she can reach her fast, all fast.
Yeah.
You know,
so,
somewhere.
yeah. So massive, we're there in Caribbean Vibes on Church Avenue, right? So we're going to walk someone said? Nostrand Avenue. Yeah. On Church Avenue.
Yeah, Nostrand between Church and Martin. Yeah.
All right, between Church and Martins.
Yeah. Nostrand between Church and Martin.
That is it. Figure that.
Nostrand.
1436 Nostrand Avenue.
Yeah, between Church and Martin.
So they just forward and make him know say a Jamaica Walk By make you know there if I hear so now see it first. Because a big thing and a joke thing the restaurant is a big people place Look good now, man. So we have some of the general them out there so. See them look good now, man. What not deal with everything bless up. Crazy food I prepare. Oh, you mean no joke, no doubt. Yes, so there. So I want to go on here so right so now. Boy dumpling. What? Are you specifying making them a dumpling? So they're not neat. Like I don't even see one size over. A year's experience is brother. None of my dumpling they never look the same. Big up as my teacher. Oh, you mean? Which part the magician there? Where magician there? Magician. See me? Yeah, go on back. Come here, man. Yes, man. And I'll make sure that the soup your teeth out, you know. Yeah? Yes, I drink up the soup. Yes, man. Magician. So, and then man, you cooking one whole heap of turkey and oxtail, right? Man. Look good now, man. Yeah, and I love turkey neck too, you know. Yeah, I love turkey neck. I'm just going to say, and so I normally mix up, you know, because the oxtail is it. Yes, turkey neck is the Jamaican oxtail, you know. No joke, no doubt. CXG around there, so crazy preppings are going, you understand? Oh, you mean, big up, man. See, look at the place clean and thing. I size butter rice. Watch a man. Look good. Look good now, man. Crazy thing. 6 pot. Yes, brother. I look on the big drummer soup. Yes. And a joke thing, massive. Yeah. No joke, a crazy thing. The vibes is right, the vibe is nice. You can come and get your big jug of soup like this. You understand? What kind of soup they have out there now? Cow food soup, yeah. Cow food? Blouse and skirt. Boy, look on the cake, man. Look good. Oh, you mean? So, We just start off a tour from the side here, and we are going to do the rest of Church Avenue. You understand? Yeah, man, massive. So, I want Jamaica walk by. Big up the magician anywhere I'm there. You see me? Yeah, oh you mean? Look good now, man. We're there. And the teacher himself. You see? Hey, who that? Where's she there? Come here, my friend. Where's she there? I see her a while ago. Lord. No, man, come in. Come side of me. Come side of me. Come on my left. Yeah. So the boss wife, you don't know, the other big woman in the house and make sure so everything are going good and everything are going steady. Yeah. You understand? The last time you ain't big up nobody, no, big up somebody, man. Everybody, all of my customers, my workers, just everybody, and thank you for coming. Every time. I get mad love here, so, you know, so I have to there every time. So massive, we're just gonna do this, and we're just gonna say, you know, it's not about me, it's about everything around me, the surrounding, the beautiful people, the restaurant, and that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna walk the rest of Church Avenue right about now. We're just kick-starting it here. So stay tuned and let's do this. See? Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Yes, massive. Say, don't know, Caribbean Vibes Restaurant. No joke thing. Yeah, you can come through, my friend. Yeah, so the menu changes on a daily basis, it look like. So the seafood dry rice thing when they actually get was on the Friday, so they said they might have it for tomorrow. Yeah, world class restaurant, massive. Me have to endorse and blast Caribbean Vibes Restaurant, see? So big up every time we're going out. Even pastries here. Look at that. Lovely. Let's do this. So as you see, we step out of Caribbean Vibes right now. Yeah, we just step out of Caribbean Vibes. If you look down the road, yeah, see it there? Caribbean Vibes Restaurant. Look good now, man. That is it. Yeah, no joke. So, big up every time we're going. Everybody know they are with me, you know, so you know the thing goes. So, me there walk with 10th floor, because me not blink up with 10th floor back again. So we do that walk and the whole way I go walk it. And thing, you see me? No joke, no doubt. Let's go. Alright. So massive, we're going through. Just to make sure some have this thing I plug in the right way. And thing. Make sure them I plug in and thing before we really officially start the right way. Right. Alright. Let's see what happened. Alright, massive. We're outside. So as you can see which part we're there right now, see Church Avenue, look on the sign. See which part we're there now. See it there? We're going through. Alright. So we're getting ready. So this is what Church Avenue look. I'm not sure which one we're going up. But over which on this side. I'm going to go on this side. Oh. Let's go. Oh, we can walk. Church Avenue massive. The other leg. We'll go the other side. So we'll go down so. Yeah, no. Bless up, bless up. See some nice hustlers here on the street. Big up on yourself, big up on. Hey, figure that. Figure that. Yeah. So let me start over here. Let me see. Yeah. The jewelry. Yeah. See it here now, man. Look good now, man. Rocks so massive. See all the Jamaican colors there, man. Look good now, man. You're Jamaican? You're Jamaican? Yeah. Which country you from? Guyana. Guyana. Well, we're neighbors. Yeah, man. We're neighbors, man. That is it. Because to me, I thought to me, I'm not hearing no difference in your voice from mine. That is it. A lot of Jamaicans. See it there now? Figure that. Yeah. Look over here, so now, come out. Yeah, we got the coats, we got the songs, we got some BB. Man. Some bags for the ladies. Look good now, man. Look good now, man. Socks. Yeah. Actually, it's a nice camera, you know, for vlogging and stuff like that. Yeah, I got this one from Amazon. DJI.
Amazon?
Yeah, it's a DJI Osmo.
Oh, that is nice.
Nice.
It's a camera.
It's a camera. Yeah.
Hey, look at the technology. This is crazy.
So big up yourself,
Yeah,
mad love.
you
Keep
too,
on the
that's
hustling.
right. You
Yeah.
keep doing what you're doing too.
You seems like you're well warm, you know,
Yeah,
man.
you gotta
See
be
that
from
you're
the
down
streets.
to
You
the
know how you
shoes.
dress us.
Look
We
good
dress
now,
up
man.
warm. We from the streets, you know?
That is it.
That's it,
Love what you're
yeah.
going on with.
That's
I'm
right.
gonna walk the entire Church Avenue. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, you're a YouTuber?
Yeah, so check out Jamaica Walk By.
Oh, Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah,
And
Jamaica
what you
Walk
got on
By.
right there, microphone.
Yeah, it's a microphone so
Oh,
they can
you
hear
is
us.
ready.
Yeah, that is
You
it.
got it all from Amazon.
Yeah.
That
Check out Jamaica Walk By too, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
okay,
we advertise
I
for
will.
free, showcasing everybody. So this is
Okay.
where you actually just set up and do
Yeah,
your
we do
thing
right here Okay.
all the time. So
And what's that one right there on you? A charger?
yeah, it's a charger, it's a battery
You got
bank.
Too much technology. Jesus.
Yeah, man, big up every
Big up
time.
your
Yeah.
station too. Big up your station.
All right,
Yeah.
cool.
Okay.
My bro, let me give this poster some free advertisement right now. Yeah, yeah. So look at this. You understand? Look good. So the 30th of December, look good now, man. You understand? Caribbean Power Jam Radio presents pre-New Year's Avenue. What is it? Jammers Ball. Big thing. You understand? And a dibby thing. Most anticipated event of the year. Look good now, man. Saturday 30th of December. Which part of the place are they? Where they? 830 Alabama Avenue, Brooklyn. Big up every time, man. Crazy DJ and beer things. See that just $30. Dibby money, man. Shut in. All the eye rollers, them. Cheap thing. Have some fun. Ready and go. In. All down on the floor. Look good now, man. Enough roar. Big up on yourself. You hear me, teacher? No doubt. Yes, Jamaica Walk By. Yeah. So massive, we're moving. We're going through. Blessed love. Yeah. See the massive freeze. Out the door, them don't need no fridge. Yeah. Who said that?
Keep it up, yeah?
Yeah, big up yourself every time, you understand?
Well, I come to freeze again.
No, I mean I said the fruits them are freeze because we have free AC out the door.
Yeah, I name is freeze.
Oh, so that's how you say, all right, big up yourself, me fully over now. Yeah, man. Yeah, because you me that walk and I tell me, I said the fruits them are freeze, you know? Yeah, so them don't need no fridge out there, so. You understand? So them now spoil, you understand? Yeah, man, mad love. It's Jamaica Walk By, you understand? Massive love and respect every time. Yeah, man, I mean, man. Yeah. So, massive, we're outside and we're going to do this and we're going to get it right. You understand? No joke, no doubt. The next leg of Church Avenue. Look good now, man. Yeah. People out and about and getting it right. Yeah. See it? Look good now, man. Church Avenue, E31st Street. All right. We're going. Yeah. All right, so we're going to do it, guys. Are we that a beep? G, take it. You know what I mean? So massive, I'm not sure how far I'm gonna walk on Church Avenue, but me I go just walk. Me I go just walk till I'm tired, or if me can just go through. See all of me yard people them go want me father party. So massive, in the switch up, me start the video, I started in Caribbean Vibes. Big up to the owners of Caribbean Vibes restaurant. Every time, anyway, them there in the world. You understand? So massive love and respect every time. Yeah, the food in Caribbean Vibes restaurant is superb. It's great. No joke about that. Yeah, man. We're moving. Caribbean Vibes. Now we're up on Church Avenue. See there? Crazy cane in a foreign. Tell them. Them don't look like a cane though, but it's there. Bless up, bless up. Yeah, man, see it there. In a foreign, a easy thing there. Meji, Jamaica Walk By, me can give a shout out, like some free advertisement. Yeah, all right, let me explain. I'm a YouTuber, you see it? Jamaica Walk By. You Jamaican? Guyana. All right. See them with neighbors. We keep on telling them that. You understand? So massive look good. You understand? So if you actually live on the Church Avenue side and you don't know which part to get the key and them thing there, all right over here. So see there are 2 spots alone me see. In a Jamaica, in a foreign since me there we sell cane. You understand? Look which are them there. East 32nd Street. No joke thing. So you found out you can get a good natural cane right there. So cane juice and all of that. You understand? 2 places me see this. Yeah, even jelly coconut and thing. See the general have some well prepared over here already. So cane already bagged and packed. The man have June plum. Done. I hear one that left. Yeah, even June plum. The man have pear, tomato, see pine. So these are what? Coconut water. So how much a bottle like that? $27. And you have for $14 as well. Man, that is it. So you can come on Church Avenue, you get the orange avocado over there. We call that Cinco Bible. In Jamaica, Cinco Bible that name. You understand? Your good bitters, yeah. When we're from in Jamaica, we call it Cinco Bible. Everybody, it's the right name for it. We then call it aloe vera. Yeah. Yeah, man, no joke thing. So right here, same deck. Authentic cane, coconut water, no doubt. So big up, it's Jamaica Walk By here. Jamaica Walk By, cool. Big up every time. Yeah. So that is it, man. So we're moving along. We're on Church Avenue. Yeah. Oh, okay. Thought you were talking to me, you know? Yeah, no, say I heard. Yeah. Some only see them carry over here, so then call them the dollar taxi, but $1 fit and $1 fit ride for them again, $3 something I think. That's them there, you know. See it there? New York Avenue, Church Avenue. Whoa! Look aside there. Yeah! And this me I talk about, brother. Look good now, man. Yes! And this me I talk about. See the front, you see all the Jamaican colors, you know what time it is. Look good now, man. Big up yourself, chef. Jamaica Walk By, you understand? Yeah! And this me I talk about in a foreign. Look good now, man. Oh, you mean? Massive, if you not see drum and them thing up on the street side, I mean the food not sweet. Look good now, man. Jaja no massive. Whoa! See what me I talk about here, man. Church Avenue, look good now, man. Look now, man. Look good. And that me I tell you, the brother look like he join 2 drum, you understand? Because you want chicken and sell you if you have enough chicken. You understand? Look good now, man. Look now, man. Cheese and peas, I know early, so I know say by later on, a trouble in a man. Blouse and skirt, in a foreign. Eh? See a pickle and beer things in a foreign. Yo! Yeah. Jamaica Walk By, eh? Make sure say you're buying it. You don't have no money?
You make a video and then you don't give me nothing?
Hear him now. But hear him, me give advertisement. You know what people pay for advertisement to millions of people? Yeah. And millions of viewers me have. Now man, me come, me say no money, come buy chicken, see away man, we turn and shake out the packet.
We got sweet and sour sauce.
Look good now, man.
Pepper.
Yes.
Barbecue sauce.
Figure that. Hold on, pause. Fully badness.
Yes. Mango
Look
sauce.
good now, man.
Mango
Jesus
sauce.
Christ.
Tamarind sauce.
Weird. You name it. Hold on there, you carry out the whole of Jamaica come here, sir. Yeah, tamarind sauce. Eh? So me now go buy one and me go try fully badness.
Passion fruit.
And then me say it's shot. Me have to go now to tamarind sauce, a different chicken that you know.
Everything, I mix everything.
Cheese and peas. Yo, look good now, man. Look now, man. Look good now, man. You think a dibby thing? Jaja no. Right, but yo, only me Jamaicans them can pull this off. You understand? You see how that little sweet paste one here you go through. We say food nice.
Nice, baby.
That is it. How you mean? Every day, every day. So, when I went on the out here, so? When I went?
Friday and Saturday.
Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So massive if you want the authentic jerk chicken from the grill. You mean right from the pot. Look now, man. Yeah, see that New York and Church Street. See sign there. Pineapple jerk. Yo, that GRE touch it, man. Yeah. That's how you have to do it, my friend. Look good now, man. Yeah. Yeah. See that? Chicken warlord. Don't play with the chop. Look now, man. Yeah. Yo, I love when I go out. See that? From me see Jamaican flag, you know. And me see it colors them. Colors them, especially as around us, and no joke thing. Oh, see that? Watch the man. Look good. And a joke thing. We not play out here. You understand? So big up on yourself. A Jamaica walk by. You understand? If you don't subscribe to the channel, subscribe. Watch her. Don't get food in the man. Don't get. Yeah. Look good now, man. Yeah, see the chicken ready and thing. Look good now, man. No bird. Me so far can sample my one, you know. You understand the thing go? Jaja no. Red stripe. Go and do it, my teacher. Look good. Me say only me Jamaican then can pull it off. Yeah, YouTube. Easy, easy. In a foreign. You know what I mean? Me say we in a them place like a we yard. Straight down we a go. Yeah, man. Oh, you mean? Yeah, YouTube, Jamaica walk by. Yeah, man, big up every time, man. Touch it. That is it. Yeah, man. Boy, I still try to understand the road, you know, so you know where I take a look at time and go through. Yeah, man. Jamaica walk by. So we do. Them cost me off, so me only do the top Church Avenue. So me I do the rest of it, you know. Oh, you mean? And a normal thing, man. I go and cross, you know, because you know we can't, and like a Jamaica, we are in them town like a we yard. Oh, you mean? Church Avenue with it. Look good now, man. Look good. Down to all the pigeon them. Everybody we are big up. Yeah. Church Avenue. Yes, massive, no joke. I love. Yeah, man. Look good. Jamaican them, you know, if you see them. Just your ear studio. That is it. We are going through massive. So remember, it's not a narrative video. As we walk through and we see not what we want to talk about, we just go talk. We just go all the vibes same way. You understand? Yeah. Teacher them. Big up, big up. You see me? And that's how we do the thing. Yeah. Church Avenue, you understand? No joke. Oh, Jamaica walk by me, G. YouTube. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's me. That boy, they look like me, so on your phone. Yeah. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, hey, me a video right now on the front of the camera, because some of you nowadays don't walk up on the camera, you know. Big up. That's the thing, you know. Big up on yourself, you hear that? Serious. Every day I saw it on. Yeah. Carefully a moment. Don't want him lick in front of me. Right through. It's a machine. Man. Yeah. We'll go through. So we have here salon, everything here, so. Barber shop. No, we Jamaicans them in there, but you don't know a thing, go. We take time and go through. And see. First one is one like this. Yeah, man. The name of it is Osmo. Osmo Pocket. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's a nice camera. It depends on the one that you like, you know? Yeah, man. So them roll from 400 US go up and stuff. Yeah.
Buy one of them just you know, do my own thing.
Yeah, man. That's what I do it for. I bought it to do my YouTube videos. I'm a YouTuber.
Well, good.
Yeah, where you from?
Guyana.
Guyana. Yeah, big up all Guyana massive. You understand? No joke. Figure that. One love. Same speed. Yeah. Yeah, massive. You know, anywhere we go, we try to show the love. You understand?
Fine the first time, and you proceeded to.
Yeah, it's a diner this. Look like one diner too. Yeah. Bacon things. Alright, let's go. Outside with it. Look good. What you mean? I have no idea how long this avenue is right now, but we just are going to walk. See that? They set up like Jamaica to them, and you know you have all the things on the front. What you mean? But it look like the policy is once it there underneath your signboard, you're supposed to go because they make sure say them not even hang out. Yeah. That is it. We're going through. You know what I mean? Big up me all the out them, big up. Jamaica walk by, you hear that? Mad respect, you know. The language our code, you know. Yeah man, we do a foreign, we have to make sure so we live good, teacher. How you mean? Respect, bro. Yeah man, Jamaica walk by, we in a them place. The language our code. How you mean? Mad thing. Respect. Yeah, massive, look good. Different energy them side there. You can just know say you're there in a Jamaican them zone. Come through, mommy. Let's watch a van up on the next side. So we are walk Church Avenue. Culture Palace. Half the Jamaicans over there saying, what kind of place that? I have no idea. Probably one restaurant or something, but the name Culture Palace. In the center screen. But yeah, that is it we are going through. Yeah. Yeah, the power of faith ministry. Me a better one Jamaican one that. The way all the funeral home name are a church. Big up me Jamaican them. We say we talking our language, you understand? Jamaica walk by, big up every time, you hear that?
Watch your program.
Ah, see that? That is it. We are doing rest of Church Avenue, you understand? If him don't know, tell him. If him don't know, make him know where we are going. Hold on, no Jamaicans in there. Is a Jamaican barbershop or just Guyanese? Big up all my Guyanese here where our neighbor them. Respect every time. Yeah man. That's how we do it massive. We are natural. Blouse and skirt. Machine. Look good now man. Machine. Watch your machine now man. Clean like a whistle. Mad thing. Yeah. Bossy. Beautiful. Church Avenue. I must even don't get me wrong, it's cold here. Nice. So we're up on Church Avenue, I go through. Woo. Yeah. So I must say one of the key things, just I walk through and look at me say anybody will have up the Jamaican flag or anything like that. That is always the first sign that was Jamaican did this. You understand? Yeah. Alright. That's I think what we look for. We could go across there. Yeah. Look good. Church Avenue. Look good. So we'll take time and go through massive. See there? Place is beautiful, it's nice, it's a different vibe and thing. You understand? So as you can see, I saw a restaurant over there so named Yardman. It look like the name Yardman something. I probably make a stroll go over there so and thing. You know what I mean? Switch out with it. Which one? Oh, you know, so I just see it a while ago. I say, I see the green, the gold, and the black. So I feel one Yardman place over there. So I say I go over there now. Yeah, no joke thing. How you mean?
When you hit 40 seconds.
40 seconds.
Bar then you Oval Sports Bar.
When you Oval?
Oval.
Oval Sports Bar.
As you reach 40 seconds and look for your
left.
Left.
Yeah.
You see the bar right there.
Mad thing. All right, then respect for that. See?
See?
Cool, man. All right, let me go. Go over here, sir. See if I can go inside of the spot here. Like a bit. Wow, wait. Try cross. See it here again. See grill there smoke, you know, and thing. Alright, so watch how I go on. See grill here again. My teacher ain't afraid of camera. Because Jamaica Walk By and then told me I have to beg a look at video for them. You understand? Look good. From this out in the public and no joke thing for video now. You see me, Gene? I could have video and not say nothing to you too. You see me? True, not joke thing. But from them a big thing I go on, I want it to be known because I don't want to put my program up, the restaurant look like a joke thing. If you have a big YouTuber coming to a place and I say, Ray, when people tell me, say, yo, check out that spot here, it look like a joke thing. You understand? So massive the jerk chicken a roll, only Jamaicans can pull this off. You understand? Only Jamaicans can pull this off. Look good. Chicken a jerk and be a sitting street side setting. You understand? No joke thing. When you see smoke, you know what time is it. And them supposed to have a seasoning and thing. You understand? Yeah. So this already a while ago me I walk, there's a specific guy a while ago just tell myself a big up in Virgin place. It is Yardman Things. You understand? So make you see what I go on in there. See there, they're on Instagram too, Yardman Things. Make you go look. Easy, bless up, bless up, bless up. Alright. Respect. Big up my friend, mad love, mad respect. Jamaica Walk By, you understand? Can't walk Church Avenue and lift up my Jamaicans. I always have to walk and see the business them where I go on and make them get them advertisement here. So right now we in a Yardman Things, no so? That is it. So, I see jerk chicken, what go on? What on the menu? Jerk chicken, jerk pork, all them things that like yard?
Jerk ribs.
Jerk ribs. Yes. Oh, you mean all of the great stuff? My G look like him not talk enough like him wouldn't give out him Instagram. Post two of them cat here see and say, yo, my G, what more you not got your Instagram? Why they make them slide on your DM no one and brought them there. Where they on Instagram, me give a shout out. You're not me on Instagram. Why you not on Instagram? You on TikTok? None of them thing there? Come in, man. My friend, what's your Instagram? Can I give you a shout out on Instagram?
Yeah, man, at Yardman Thing.
At Yardman Thing. That is it. So, if you want the authentic things, you see it, say them not joke. See there, look out I do. Look if you not see say, how I do a chicken them a jerk, pan them. And that's how you have to have the right sauce, the right seasoning and beer things. You can't pass. And a joke thing. So Yardman Thing. I just say thing, they see the menu, they're large. You understand? The money them look reasonable. Me I say $4, $5, $1, all of them things them I see up on the menu. And a joke thing. Me say, yeah, it's number me say a while ago was $12. So you know it's a joke thing. See? If you want a large, you get it for $15. Bunch of sitting. No joke, no. Nice, clean place. Watch your style. Look, then go the zinc. Then go zinc settings. Blouse and skirt. You can't miss the Jamaican place. See green, see gold. Look good now, man. You know see the Jamaican juice in the fridge. You know see a tropical rhythm that look good now, man. True juice. You can't miss. Yard man things with it. And no joke thing. I mean, big up on yourself and go and do it. Hear that? Anyone with them with Jamaicans, them were large. Big up my bro. Take care of yourself. Hear that? It's Jamaica Walk By. See? Yeah, man. Cool. Yo, my teacher, Jamaican too? Bro, you can't remember the pie still in but in the what do a different. Nah, you walk one. Oh yeah. No joke thing. See there. Look good. That's over there. No joke. It's a vibe. Yo, teacher, big up yourself. Hear that? Respect, respect. Jamaica Walk By massive. We are got you. You understand? If anything, we cross from the other side. But we are going to walk. Tell us anyway I see flag them, I can't pass it. Rockstone them a play music and things, so I can't do that something. Yeah, the music I play, so I have to go pass and see what go on. I don't know if I will go back there, but right now the music I play, so you know the copyright thing going. My camera always a roll. Yeah. No joke, massive. Look good. Church Farm Market. I think I see one of this from 4th Avenue, you know. Don't quote me on that. Yeah. Don't quote me on that. But I really want to go back in that spot there still. But the music I play and all of that. Yeah. So, I just send my general up there see if he can talk to them to see if the music is there. I go over there. And then I can mute it, but I don't want to pass that spot there. I don't want to pass that spot here. Alright, so then turn off the music. I don't know, say, me always a roll, you understand? Yeah. Me always a roll. Because I can't pass a spot and I see Jamaican flag on the front. That now go hard up. See there? Irie Bliss. That is the name. There's no way Jamaica Walk By if you walk and see flag a wave on the front. And no make go in there. Big up yourself, my teacher. Our lucky spot. Are you chef? Bombard, I right man this. Oh you mean? So you have to go show them what going in there now. Oh, you mean, man? Yeah. So massive Irie Bliss. That is it. So you get your lookout seat too, so you can eat right as and look out and see what going on. Irie Bliss. Look good now, man. They have table for actually up to 6, 7, 8. Look good. Yeah. Look good now, man. See superstar board there. Irie Bliss. Mad thing. Look good. Yeah. Oh, you mean, I say anywhere I see flag. Ooh, look good now, man. Fried chicken, curry, good. That is it. Boiled banana, stewed chicken, jerk chicken, callaloo. Yo, soup over here, sir. Porridge over here, sir. Which one, the peanut? Plantain porridge. Blouse and skirt. Oh, you mean? Well, you have Uber Eats? Chicken soup, chicken foot soup. Blouse and skirt, man, what you mean? Look good now, man. See the massive, see the menu there. So now the DoorDash though. That is it. So massive you can do DoorDash with actually Irie Bliss. So check out Irie Bliss and DoorDash and order your food. You'll get the menu, tons of things on the menu. Look good now? So it's 3916 Church Avenue. That's so Irie Bliss there. Look now, man. You have juice in a fridge, so you can come in, get your things share out, and all of that. A clean place. You don't know so my camera no lie. You understand? Look now, man. You can sit down and eat TV up there so you can watch it and relax yourself. Oh, you mean? Look good now, man. Yes. Irie Bliss. Yeah, me can't pass my Jamaica and them. No way. Them are going good. That is it. Them are going good. You understand? Look good. Oh, you mean? So massive, if you're down that side there, make sure so you check out that spot here too. You understand? It encloses your place to eat. If you want, you can sit down right there so eat and look out and feel nice. Clean bathroom. Oh, you mean? No joke, no doubt. So what the chef name again? What the man name again? Blackman. Big up Blackman. Alright, respect and go on, man. Linstead side. Yeah, man, the Clarendon side me forward from. Mineralize. Yeah, man, that's just a little bit from me, man. Oh, you mean? Yeah. So big up. I walk the Church Avenue, but I know I couldn't pass here, so I'm not give you a shout out. You see it? Every time. Big up yourself, no, man. You can hear say you're foreign, I know. You go to Jamaica sometime? Yeah. Yeah, you love it down there? Yeah. You just get an escape from the AC. Yeah. Alright, big up here, that. Oh, you mean? I tell you, brother. Back out of doing a free AC. See? Yeah, man, I can't pass this spot, man. You're mad. Yeah, man. Irie Bliss. Church Avenue. Oh, you mean? We're moving along. Moving along. Yeah. So that's Church Farm Market. A lot of local food produced over there, sell over there. So, yeah. I think I saw one over by 4th Avenue and it was crazy. Enough food in there. As we walk the rest of Church Avenue, we're doing it like this. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Catch your style. Yeah. Church Avenue. Yeah, man. We just go and walk massive and just go and look. You see me? Walk. Yeah. One Jamaica walk by. What? They have tons of the bicycle on this side, man. So them bicycle now, you can just rent them. I think they have battery, so that while you see them on this, them a charge. You know, so if you pay for them on the card or something like that, you just pull out one. On the app, so you just pull out one and you just go ride. You understand? You probably leave it anyway, and then we just go and circle it and pick it up. I've not tried one of them, but I'm gonna try one of them. City bike, mad thing. Moving, bless up. Yes, mama. Big up. Mama look like she just come out of the temple, you know? South Beach. So I realized though, so our next restaurant over there, Authentic Kitchen. You see the black, you see the green, and you see the gold. So that have to be one Jamaican restaurant. We are going to find out. Definitely going to find out. Lunch special. Card out here, so $5. And you get the lunch special. Yeah. I'm going to find out. So, let me see. What were they? Oh, see that? Authentic Kitchen. See it? So I could go find out how that one here go now. How you mean? Bless up, my G. Respect. Jamaica Walk By, you understand? YouTube, you understand? So, oh yes. Boy, I tell you, say then Jamaicans are not going bad in a foreign, brother. Oh yeah. Menu list tall. Yeah. So massive with the on Church Avenue, you know so I can't pass the colors. You see that big name over there, so Jamaica and a Jamaica Walk By. I have to go in a them restaurant. I look there. See on a grill, I see patty in the center, man. I see vegetable, callaloo, chicken patty, beef patty, spicy beef patty, chicken curry patty, and chicken jerk patty. Yo, look good now, man. Clean fridge over here, so too. You don't know my camera not tell a lie. That is it. Look, all the authentic Jamaican juice. Let me see a thing in there. You understand? No joke thing. Yeah. Yeah, my teacher, who else they are going to run? Who else are going to run? So, we have what kind of fish? Escovitch fish. We have shrimp here, so. We have over here, so. We have over here, so. Jerk chicken over here, so. See a fried chicken down there, so. I see all mac and cheese. Yo, a bunch of things. I mean, I said the place I look like it's ready. You can get all different sizes of food and soup. Yeah. Because I know it's a soup jug that. So I see them do this soup jug them over here in a foreign. And that's how we really have in Jamaica. So, in a foreign, that's how I see there is soup jug. Then people in a foreign drink whole heap of soup. Because food, the smallest soup jug for our largest one, what we have, not so big. So then people are drink whole heap of soup. Whereas if it's soup shot, mad thing. Place up on Instagram too. On if them on Instagram. Authentic Kitchen. I'm going to make sure I catch it. See, they look like a natural juice and thing going in here. Oh, you mean? Yeah, $7. So $6.99 for Authentic Kitchen juice. Natural. Let me say. See, they're from mango mix, tropical, super green. Great. Yeah, Authentic Kitchen. Oh, don't come in now. No bills. Larger than $50. You hear that? So now for make sure so don't come with the 50 and down. No $100. Change them money there first. Yeah, no joke thing. Alright, my teacher, I'm go and wave the flag. You hear that? Oh, you mean? Outside with it. Look good. Oh, you mean? Authentic Kitchen. In a them place like we are. Look good. So see them on Instagram. It's authentic_kitchen 4213. That's at the Instagram. Yeah, authentic_kitchen 4213 on Instagram. Open hours 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. Monday to Wednesday. Yeah, and no joke thing. Big up every time. Authentic Kitchen. We're moving, you know? No joke. You know some mistake, I look for the flag them, look for the colors them. So, you know say I style that if you don't have a Jamaican product or something like that to go on, put up a Jamaican flag out a door or paint the color in some green and yellow and black. You understand? You can't go wrong. Yeah. And a joke thing. Yeah. Look good now, man. Bad shop. Yeah. This is a dollar deal too. Bless up, respect. Church Avenue, dollar deals. What you mean? Yeah, no joke thing, Massive. Look good now, man. Look good. So, Massive, we just walk Church Avenue. In a them place like how we had. Yeah. So, when I was talking about Jamaica have church, I don't think Jamaica have church yet. I don't see all two church side and side. You know, better know that two church on the side and side. You better know. You think over here near Church Avenue for no reason. You better know. Yeah. So our next deli. Because there are some sweet food in the too, you know. Food time for So Massive, me I say, one trick, if you don't want people to know it's a Jamaican thing, I go on there, so let's make sure someone put some palm of painting out a door or one flag. So people just know directly, say, yeah man, a yard spot that. How you mean? Figure that. Just to make you know, say it's cool too, you know. It look like it's not cool, but brother, it's a wet. So, Massive, look center camera. You see that the next jerk pan the outer door? You know what go on already. La phone, me call Antoinette and Simone. Hey, you know me not stay away copyright there still, but big up to Bounty Killer thumping at the van there. How you mean? So our next jerk pan out the door, sit on Rastaya and thing. Yeah. Big up every time, but I love to talk to me Jamaican them, but the music I play. I'm going to do a video, copyright, you know? Yeah. Can't work with the music, but see the look what I go on a Massive. Yeah. It's actually not really a restaurant, it's like one grocery store or something, but the G roast some breadfruit and thing out of the front, but the music, you know, can't work with the copyright. How you mean? Figure that. In a them town like how we are. But Church Avenue, rest of Church Avenue, big man. Yeah. Nice ear salon. I don't know, my mind just tell me if check out that ear salon. I don't know. But yeah. Hi, good day. Yeah. Boot for rent and thing. I'm a YouTuber. I was just wondering if there was like Jamaicans inside there. Yeah, though. Yeah. Let me see. I want to give them, give them some advertisement. And that lady said there are Jamaicans in here before I go. What go on? Where say for I walk there? You don't touch it, no man.
The best part of the thing when I see you do when you come for the Max Seal and I go Max Seal that time.
Oh, Max Seal of you. Where say crazy?
I know where I come from. So I tell when I see it now, like you bring back memories.
Big up every time, man.
Every night when you fly come America and
yeah, man. We there, man. Respect my teacher. Yeah, man. No, where you go? Which way you go? In there, sir? Be so forward in there.
See my restaurant, right? There's a fried chicken with this shop. So you're going there, man. You can't
fried chicken with... Call them, tell them, send me a forward.
Yeah, man. Me there, something.
Yeah. Hi, good day. I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. Just doing an episode on Church Avenue. And I just decided that I wanted to just come in here, but I see you kind of busy, bad, like you need some work. But, you know, Oh, she Jamaican? Yeah. Alright, my Jamaican friend, good day. Big up yourself. Fabian from Jamaica Walk By, you know? Actually, it's a pass through, but anyone with Jamaican, they like give them free advertisement, you know? Yeah, and I passed the sign and I saw that as something for rent. So I'm not sure if you wanted to let persons know that space is available to as well. Oh, the owner is not here. All right, no problem. All right. Big up every time. Cool. Yeah, man. So that just me. So the general gone over right also. And thing. Yeah. Fish and bone. You can see what going in so. Oh, you mean? I ain't gone. Big up yourself, me general.
Yeah, general.
Me I hope say you're Jamaican. You're Jamaican?
Thank you at Kingston.
Alright, yeah, Jamaican man, they don't know Jamaica Walk By in a place.
Yeah.
You understand? Now your spot this a go on.
Yeah, man, my spot this a go on.
Oh, you mean look good now, man? Oh, you mean?
Yeah.
When me fall through, me have to showcase what I go on to my people them are foreign. You understand?
Yeah.
Big up, hey, where's a jerk as over here, so?
Yeah,
Jerk chicken in a place. Oh, you mean? Stew chicken. Really hard style, oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? No joke thing, no good. Long time, me not see this. Yeah. I don't see that one here. Much over here, sir, tall, cold food. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Yeah. When me see rest and lead them, you are going bad. Curry goat over here, so. Figure that. Yeah. Them are empty. You can see what I go on. Curry chicken. Yeah, figure that, man. How you mean? Hey, there's no restaurant without the oxtail right now. You understand? Yes. And that oxtail and bean. Oh, you mean? See there?
And cow foot and bean. So.
A cow foot and bean?
Yeah.
That is it. Oh, you mean? Look good in that place, now, man. Yeah. See there? You understand? You have table you can eat. You look out spot too as well. No joke, them have it. Yeah. You understand? What the place name again?
Fishbone.
Fishbone.
46 and Church.
46 and Church Avenue. You understand? Fishbone.
Yeah.
Figure that. Oh, you mean? I pass through me, G. So you know, so I have to give everybody a look of strength, see them way. Mad love, mad respect.
Mad respect, sir.
That is it.
That is it.
Bless up, my bro. Look good, man. All juice, everything there.
Everything.
Yeah. Menu tall like a sky.
Yeah.
Big up every time, my bro.
Yeah, respect.
Every time. Yeah, but I rate the Jamaican, them, and most of them over here, when they own the place, them not play. You understand? Them not play. Let's do this. Light up on red, good to go. Oh, you mean? Church Avenue. Yeah. So you see that about one restaurant down there, so. See how another Jamaican flag there wave down there, so too. Oh, you mean? Watch out. Fried chicken with sauce. See, watch your chicken up there, so. See chicken there? Chicken have a Jamaican flag on the neck. So you know the thing go already. You know the thing go already. That is, man, say the best is in a book. You look good now, man. Look now, man. Look what I go on. The man say the yo. Man say the best. Hey, a while ago, the man come out, the man say, yes, the best spot in Brooklyn. You understand? Big up my teacher, respect. One Jamaica Walk By. So right as I spot a man say the best food in Brooklyn. I him say no. See there's a super chicken in there. See Jamaica.
Fried chicken with the sauce.
Fried chicken with the sauce. Oh, you mean? So what the address here, sir? What the address here, sir? 4605 Church Avenue. General said the best friend. Yo, I him say it, man. Look good now, man. Fried chicken with the sauce. Figure that. Jamaica Walk By in them town, massive.
That's in East Flatbush.
No problem with that. You stand behind your brand and I love that. I saw you have to do it. You understand? Yeah, my teacher, big up to yourself too, see? Yeah, figure that. Outside with it. Alright, we are pass through. Mad love, hear that? Sanitize over there, so seeing every time, my bro. Respect, man, you see it? Look good now, man. Yeah, see it there? Jamaican flag a wave too. All sort of sitting. Big up every time, no man. One love every time, man. How you mean? See it then, man.
City, Tri-State area, internet listeners. Brooklyn comes alive. We done that. Church Avenue with there. Coconut man, the original corn soup man. Corn soup man. Me are the corn soup man, yeah.
Easy.
With the pumpkin and the dumpling and the piece of yellow yam. Thyme and the onion and a piece of scallion.
Boom.
Peas and the coconut and pepper named cayenne. That's why they call me the corn soup man. The edo, cassava and the plantain. I wear me hold the microphone and say me chanting. Me say, corn soup man, me are the air. You don't know.
Hey! Big up every time, man. See the key in the third spot. Yeah. So the music I playing there, so it's true copyright. Yeah. So what do I need in there? So it's a restaurant too?
Yeah, man, juice bar coming.
Oh, so I'm work on it right now. All right, then we can turn it up like this, man. Let me realize. So it's a juice bar coming soon. That is it. All right, see ya.
This Saturday, you know?
This Saturday.
Carnation dance. What's the power dance? You don't know, it's King and Queen weekend, you know?
Big up every time for ya. Oh, you mean? You go on. We are pass through and we are make sure so everything go right. See a jelly coat not over here, so. And thing. Oh, you mean? So blessings and safety, you hear that?
Guidance, you know.
Strength.
What do you hear them thing name again?
Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By. Hey,
Yeah.
I tell you in New York City, I tell you the Jamaica Walk By. You know, original champion. So,
See
original Walk By.
Artist.
Big
Big artist. Yeah, outside Soji. Mad thing. Yeah, it's a vibe. Anytime you walk up on the Jamaicans, it's a vibe. Yeah. Can't make you subscribe if you subscribe to my YouTube, my friend. One subscriber at a time. Alright. Jamaica Walk By. Yeah. We're going through. Yeah.
Respect, man.
Blessed love. Oh, are you talking about the Jamaicans in there? Mad love, mad respect, take it easy. Great things. Here, mommy, take it easy, yeah? It's Jamaica Walk By. So if you want to see what Jamaica looks like, you can check out Jamaica Walk By. So we're just taking it in America, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, we soon go back here and show you all like content and everything from down at Jamaica, you know?
Okay. Respect, right?
Blessed love, see it? Cool. Jamaica Walk By, yeah. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok.
All right.
Cool. Respect. Yeah, man. Much love. Yeah. Church Avenue. Jamaica. Yeah. What them there in a vehicle? Tell us I have the camera rolling on. They know my thing going on. DJ.
Walk by.
Respect and manners, the man.
Oh, I follow the thing, you know.
Yeah.
Straight, you know.
For my camera rolling on, I make a know, you know, lucky heart. Yeah.
Drive to see the eye right and up on Church Avenue.
Boy, them tell me say I can't do top Church Avenue and for that side, so I have to do it.
Then down so way down so name Bob Marley Boulevard, no brother.
That they must say straight down so I go, you know.
Right down so Bob Marley Boulevard. Right for the boulevard, you don't know that.
That is it. What the man name?
Yo, I mean him Cement Kid, you know.
Cement Kid.
You know me as a CK Pragmatic, but you know some me are the gospel singer now, Winston Francis.
So you have to give me something, you know, man. You have to bless up the people, them, you know.
You have to
please.
Blessing can't too much, brother.
All right,
and
sir.
just right now, when you look and see what going on in the world,
yeah,
you have to put the Almighty first. I mean, in that's one because we say, once I was in darkness trying to turn away from sin. With the pleasures of this world, each time I try, Satan would win. But through the Lord anointed and that Holy Ghost within, Christ Jesus fight my battle. Every time I fight, I win. Satan don't know me next move. Satan don't know me next move. Christ turned my life around. My anointing, I get him confused. Satan don't know me next move. Satan don't know me next move. Glory, hallelujah. My anointing, I get him confused.
Woo!
Jamaica Walk By.
Man,
in a New York City.
In a New York.
Woo! Big it up.
Yo, blessings with the blessings there.
Yes, man.
You understand?
Blessing, man.
And I'm a joke artist, a big artist thing.
Them for no.
Yeah, man, a big artist
Yes,
thing, man.
man.
Melody, sound, and lyrics.
Yeah, man.
Normal thing,
big
man.
up the whole Jamaica. You know what we want down there right now? Love and unity.
That is it.
Every community. So
Figure
me I
that.
say, the father give out a warning the other day when them shake the place.
Serious one.
So the man them for just take heed and sow good seed. Bless upon yourself. Jamaica walk by.
Figure that. Mad love, mad respect. You hear
Yes,
that?
my general.
But tell them your name again.
Cement Kid, formerly known. I don't know Winston Francis right now. Check me up on the YouTube and all digital platform.
And up on Instagram too?
Everything with the pan.
That is
You
it.
see what me I say?
Figure that.
Yeah,
Outside with it. Look good now, man. A foreign with it. You think a joke thing? Most blessing. Yeah. But you will get all the car there. You don't know the stylist. Nadine, big up yourself. Why? Then now make you fly the drone in a foreign, so we're going to easy to reach back a yard. See your car there. Don't know a thing. Go see it there massive. Look good now, man. See there, Winston Francis. See there, gospel artist. You can book him too. Look good. See booking number the 917-474-4114. That is it. There's also a next number there, you understand? See there? Concrete Records Production, no joke. I'm gonna keep this one, right?
Big up yourself,
Yeah, man.
brother.
Respect for this, see?
Enough love and respect, my brother.
See you, my boss.
Keep on do the work where you do because of good work you do.
Respect and manners.
So I get to meet you in a foreign.
Yeah.
I'm follow your channel. I'm watch all of the drone it down. And
Yeah.
people, support the thing and you get back your drone.
Up and running
all
again.
The community them where you walk through. A whole heap of people they are foreign. Some of them they can go a yard, but when them watch you walk by, you come like them there.
Be a yard. That is it. Respect again. You hear that? Mad love and thanks to reach out to me to come with the pass and gone.
I guess so.
Respect me teacher. Outside with it. Yeah, man. Yeah, so big up the stylist too again. I don't know Winston Francis, the artist. Man, sound good. Trust me, sound great. And the man appreciate the right thing them. Look good, we're moving on. Winston Francis, gospel artist. There you have it. Me get all a free drop. Oh, you mean? No joke thing, no doubt. You understand? Big up to the stylist again. You understand? Her name is Nadine. Yeah. I'm going to make sure I actually follow on Instagram. That is it right there. Yeah. My thing.
You gotta retaliate.
Respect fire.
Yeah, you know,
Yeah, man.
unless it's a fire,
Yeah. Church Avenue massive. What you mean? Nice. JS Church Farm. Catch this, yeah. Mad thing. Well, I'm spot a restaurant back there so too. I see a jerk center. We could go across there. So I don't know if we can go across there. So. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, walk side of the pond. What do you mean? I'm my time. Church Avenue, big man. Yeah. Which restaurant this is now? That one on name what? Restaurant and Jerk Center. I'm not sure if it's a Jamaican restaurant still, but I don't know. We are trying looking at them. You don't know the thing though. Greetings, greetings, my friend. I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By, you know. Actually, I do an episode on Church Avenue. I'm just trying to reach out to all of my Jamaican restaurants and make sure so them get them free advertisement as well. You understand? Whoa, a big restaurant this boy. Super size. Menu tall. Look good. Oh, you mean? Yes, I. Big restaurant. Anyway, my forward dinner. So massive. I can't. The name of the restaurant. Me that try to make out the name of the. You can't tell me the name of the restaurant? Say it again. Oh, so inside here, massive, as you can see in the menu big. You understand? Look good. I don't know what to call that we really dip on the menu. It seems like me I see everything here, so plus more. You understand? I see an ackee and saltfish over there, so most of the restaurants I don't see ackee and saltfish. So I'm going to do some specific day. I'm not sure if it's every day them do that still, but yeah. Him start playing the music, so I have to go come out because you know the copyright thing go, but blessed love and respect me outside. Yeah. Him start kick the music, so me out. Yeah, me do want to showcase what I go on more, but in start the music and you don't know, so the copyright thing me not go work with. And I kind of find that to be disrespectful. So I find that kind of look disrespectful a while ago, because I a video a while ago in there and I talk about what I go on and somebody just go turn on the radio. Loud in the place and thing. Me not like that. The restaurant, me not like the fact that happened a while ago. So me all have to come out and thing. Then just start blast the music inside of the restaurant. And me actually did a talk to the girl and a video I go on. You see me? There's a barber shop side of it too. What is her name? Bing Haircut. Yeah. What go on, my teacher? You're Jamaican. I mean, you know, say honestly to God though. Look by your through glass, I think you want different country. I swear to God, if you didn't talk a while ago, I said judge I know. You understand? I swear. But I think you're from. Eh? Yeah, I swear the Spanish man a while ago, you know, that's what I said.
And then to come back in and now,
Me I tell you, fam, me I tell you. Yes, me say me I pass a while ago, me I say it even make sense me go in there so go ask. Guys, me come in and say, but I say, Jamaica walk by, you know, me can give you some free promotion and thing or advertisement. And you be like, hey, no English. I'm like, Judge, I know. Yeah, man, Tilly Bang. Figure that, man, they don't know. Yeah, me see name Ben. That is it. So, that doesn't say never. Yeah, so massive look what go on, man. See there, the barber shop this here. What recording studio? The artist they around there now. Engineer, are you that? Yeah, engineer?
Engineer do everything. Engineer rap, yeah, do everything.
Alright, so I mean, so are you kick I eat this? Nice good spot right there. So I saw me have a setup like this in my yard, you know. I saw me have a setup like this in my yard, you know. Same table. And my laptop and all of that, you know.
He's a rapper though, bro.
Yeah.
I have my own studio, I engineer all that. That's easy.
Yeah, me do engineer, me sing, all of them things that you know. Other than Jamaica walk by. Me have a little setup on my yard similar to this where I do my thing, my mic and my thing and my laptop. But me kind of just put on the thing there, you know. You understand? What's your name on Instagram, bro?
Wavy Wolf. WAVEY WSLF, yeah?
That is it. So I mean, now give me something.
Huh?
Give fans them up here. Millions of people are watching this right now, you know.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Sure.
Give me something, man. Make them hear. Say you're an artist. Yeah, piece of one. Give me if I want song. If I have a song where you release one piece of that.
Give my freestyle, man.
Yeah. Look good now, man. Being cut. Oh, you mean? Massive, if you don't see him through the glass, he's a Jamaican. He's a Jamaican. No joke thing. Oh, you mean? See how the G there and I cheer him look brand new when he get up. We say date tonight.
It's about engineer too.
Yeah?
Beats, everything. Yeah. Everything.
That is it. What's your Instagram? Yeah. Oh, you mean, man?
It's a music connection barbershop.
Oh, you mean? Yeah. Figured that.
Yeah, man.
So let me go on your Instagram first so they can see your profile. Yeah, trim on the gloves. So this is him. You don't know. All the ladies that want to slide in the DM, you can slide in the DM. See him there? Look good now, man. See him Instagram there. Can check him out. Artist, producer, I'm having in profile. You don't know. Jamaica Walk By. You can follow me. I'll follow you back too. And think. Jamaica Walk By. So it's. Yeah.
Swanee. Yeah, I recorded Swanee.
Oh, that's oh,
Swanee.
yeah, Prince Swanee. Yeah, man, bad artist.
When he first bust, know what I'm saying? Everybody recorded him now.
Oh, so when him first, I shoot out. More when I tune him, I drop a tune, you know.
Yeah, give him a drop, bro.
Drop the set on the 22nd. I just put something on YouTube.
All right. So me there.
For like 4 tracks.
So this is me. I'll follow it. I'm gonna. You can send me a message to some. Your thing won't last. Yeah, man.
You wanna jump up a little thing, bro?
Yeah.
A little something.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, you're on the phone.
Wait. Give him a little sneak peek.
All right. So I got your Instagram, right?
Give him a little something.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure.
You want trap? You want trap?
No, give me what would you want? What would you want to give? Give me something. Give me something. Yeah, give me anything. Anything does represent. Anything.
You do everything. Hold on.
Look, I said, look, like late nights I be grinding because a lot of shit to change, but it's pinning on my necklace, got me looking like a stain. And they think I feel low because they talking on my name. Early mornings in the stew, trying to get to the fame. OT jigging up in the hoopty switching lanes. And I work too hard to let a nigga take my chain. If it reaches, then I'm squeezing, know I'm good with the aim. And this life that I chose got me riding with the thing. When your homie got popped, you tell him charge it to the game. When my homie got popped, niggas die the same day. Big 44, no
touch it, bro. Mad thing. That me I talk about next time you see me roll out the camera and say, give me something that's lit, bro. That is it.
Listen,
anything. You just. All right, big up on yourself. Your head on. Yes, I'm have you on Instagram. You give me a piece, everything, so them know what to expect. See? Yeah, man. Jamaica Walk By. Hear that? Merch and everything.
We got merch and all that, gang.
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Hear that? That is it. Yeah. Figure that. So we're on YouTube too. So this video will be posted on YouTube. Alright? So yeah, big up every time, man. Alright?
Send me the link and repost what I'm saying. I got you, bro.
That is it. Respect. Big boss. Big up yourself always, in. I seal it. Respect every time. Cool. Friday and Saturday. Alright, big up every time, man. It's a vibe. Yeah. That's how we do it. Naturally nice street. Yeah. Alright. So we are going to walk Church Avenue because I don't know say night I come down fast. So yeah, massive. I don't know so we have to do them video like no other. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Yeah. Soldier, big up the restaurant over there, so. Now I go in a much restaurant. I go and walk, you know. But it's Soldier over there, so I know say some Jamaican thing that over there, so too. Yeah. But we are going to go through because I want to see if I can cover Church Avenue. See if I can see some more Jamaicans on the street. And all of them look at thing there too. Yeah. I hope nobody no cuss me say me pass for them spot, but I don't know so I can't go in every single one of the spot them. You know? Just have to just try, go through same speed. Yeah. All them corner you lit. Aja. Dance all I play down there, so Jamaica flag up and all them things there. Yeah. Oh, you mean? No, Church Avenue start feel like Jamaica, you know. Yeah, you know. Place I get lit like a Jamaica, you know. Music I play everywhere. Lord have mercy. Fisherman Cove. Look across the road. Yeah, so we hear about that place now. Let me go over there. We could go over there. Where I go across? Where I go over there? Church Avenue. Turn up here now. I have to go in another spot here. I'm going in another spot here. I'm going in another spot here. I'm going up in another spot here. Yeah. Welcome to Fisherman Cove. I wish I do. Yeah. Yes, sir. Where's another video? We can't video now. Alright then, no problem. You know me hear big things about the restaurant here, Fisherman Cove, but no problem, yeah. Blessed love. See? Yeah. It's Jamaica Walk By still if you don't want to know, see? But in general, it's no video. Alright, cool. Come in, massive. Yeah. Hold on, we are moving. Live. I just want to say live.
Yes, my friend.
Live. So, we go in the Fisherman Cove a while ago. The boss said no recording and nothing must come out.
And know that God is still in control.
So, Fisherman Cove.
Doesn't matter what
the man said no recording, no massive, we must come out. So,
because God
me come
knows
out.
the end from the beginning.
Yeah.
He knows
So there's a golden cross there a while ago.
The Bible says in the last days perilous time shall come. And now we're in the time of perilous time. But I want you to know, my friend, God is still in control. Doesn't matter, my friend, where you, what kind of situation you find yourself in, it could be worse. It could be worse, my friend. And don't forget that some people going through worse than you and I. Oh yes, my friend, some people, they are going through worse than you and I. But all we need to do is do our best, and God will do the rest. Put your trust in God and love your fellow men. Ladies and gentlemen, America does not need money. America does not need food. What America needs is love. And the Bible says God is love. And he that loveth not knoweth not God, for God is love. We need to love each other. Driven by love and not body parts. Driven by love and not sex and money and power. Because all those things will fail you. But love will never fail. God is to be praised. This afternoon, I have a message about counterfeit. Counterfeit. Do you know in this world we have a lot of counterfeit? We got counterfeit women and counterfeit men. Counterfeit preachers too. Everywhere you go, you got counterfeit. Counterfeit. Some time ago, I went into a grocery store over there to buy pickles over
Yeah, my teacher. Like, I am so disappointed in Fisherman Cove. Like, you would never believe how me feel. Because I know somebody tell me about that spot, Fisherman Cove on Church Avenue. As I see me go in there, and I'm reaching, and before me even start talking, the man started waving, and I say, oh, no video, and him did really upset. Like, to me come in there on a video or something, really upset and said, no video and be a thing. So I say, all right, no video. I think he said, no, I must come out. And he wave out and like him and say, yo, come out with that. But big up yourself, same way. That's on you, not me, bro. But you're not going to link me back and tell me, say, yo, you never know this guy, never give me a chance to explain what I'm doing or what I'm about. You understand? So, that's on you, you understand? But me not going to delete that, everybody are going to see it. We say, I never mean us going there, because sometimes I not take up phone to you. When you disrespect me or deal me certain way, I'm going to make the people them see it. Yeah, no joke, I'm not take that bad. Anyone on the disrespect me on camera, I'm going to post it same way because of that you do. You see me? That you do. I mean, no want no demotivate me from giving other persons promotion or nobody give nobody else no run. Because I follow someone, I don't give nobody no advertisement or nothing, you understand? But I just walk the street, see them way on the business, but nobody. And I can't do that. So when I not diss me live on the camera and so, and that me I go post, make people see I saw on the tan, brother. You see me? Stop take up phone and I don't cut out nothing again. So I know when I go on the phone, I cut it out and just make it stay. I don't do that again. If my camera roll on this me on camera, I go post it. Simple as that. Once a man a fan me off and I go on the most way, brother. Look on a spot at you. Oh, it's a subway. Yeah. Church Avenue. Oh, look across the road. What you mean? Off we go across. Yes, I. What you mean? That is it. Can't see them spot here, I'm in a pass through, brother. From me see jerk pan and beer things up me up and beer sin thing, I have to roll, you know. Because so you do it in a Jamaica and so we do it in a foreign. You understand? I no joke thing. Figure that. Look on them jerk pan over there, so. Yeah. Yeah, my teacher look like you just dashing them there. Yeah, $10 jerk chicken, blouse and skirt. Look good now, man. Over yesterday, real hustle. So my teacher, what you have in the jerk chicken, jerk pork? Yeah, jerk chicken, jerk pork and jerk ribs. And jerk ribs. Realize there's a new thing that up here. I mean, I see jerk ribs at Jamaica, but them have a jerk ribs in a foreign. You understand? No joke thing. Jerk chicken, jerk ribs. Figure that. Look good. Right on I tree with it. I go on easy, understand? Jamaica walk by in them place. Church Avenue. Look now, man. With the ride from across from SR Mango, what are they? SR Mango House, right across there, so we're there. Whoa, you see G pop the oven. Easily. Yeah, and today is a Thursday massive and everything going on greatly. Oh, you mean? Yes, I. Figure that. So from a step over the G, said Jamaica walk by. And the way I said Jamaica walk by, you know, says a yard youth this. Oh, you mean, man, I subscribe already to the channel, so me have to look out for them, man, differently. You understand? Big up to me G, them we are also. Look which out me there. You understand? So massive, if you never know about that spot, you don't know about that spot you know. If you never know now, no know. Look good. From the see that spot, you can just tell me that Jamaica walk by, make you reach you so. You understand? Look good. Yeah, right across from the restaurant and the SR Mango House. You understand? Yeah. No joke. So if you want to find him, as you look and you see the Capital One Bank, you know say you're rich. Yeah. Them know say you're rich. Look good. Right here, so. How you mean, man? I no joke thing. Yeah. A whole Church Avenue me a walk in, so you know where you go. You know me do my thing already. So go and take it easy and big up yourself and go on the Austin. You hear that? No joke thing. Yeah, man, I love and respect me preach everywhere I go, man, and showcase the yard youths them to the world we are going with the things them, you understand? Yeah, man, a blessing. Outside. Look good now, man. What you mean? Yeah, so the general day are Thursday to Saturday. Right out here, so. Thursday to Saturday. You see him, I deal with him thing. The right way. Bless up, Father. Oh, you mean? Church Avenue. Come on, Godfather. And then come out of the road. I mean. So big up to all that massive them who are show me love, you understand? Subscribe to the channel. All I massive them are watching videos them on a joke thing. Big up my general 10th floor. Straight. Good afternoon. Yeah. That is it. So we are walk through massive. Church Avenue. It's beautiful. Yeah. Still a walk massive. Church Avenue. Oh, that big up, big up. Yeah, the barber shop look clean. Jamaica walk by, you understand? Yeah, me like how the barber shop looking. Yeah, teacher, mad thing with there, man. That is it. Yeah, me love how the barber shop look from the outside, massive. As you can see. Big old TV like in your theater room or your yard. Look now, man. I just love how the barber shop look. The barber shop look like I've been a trim made, me just forward come chill. Yeah. Look now, man. Look on the TV. It's bigger than enough of our TV we had. Yeah. You understand? I have no TV in my house so big. Yeah. Right now I feel like I have to adjust my eye if you watch it. Because people them on the TV big like me. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Look good now, man. The barber shop look like you ready. You understand? No joke. See there, look at me there. Look good now, man. Proper fix. I them in there did the thing. Look good now, man. 54th. Yes, I see it there. Church Avenue, 54th Street. Figure that. Oh, you mean, massive just a pass a barber shop and they just lit. You understand? They look like they have a yard thing I go and see all the poor more poster them pan it. I go and easy back, see me. All of them things, you understand? No joke thing. Look on the ceiling. Yo, that's rich. Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean? I tell you to block. Hey, I be a people that's supposed to have by yourself if you just come sit down and relax like at the yard. Yeah. Let me see what I go on there. Yeah, oh, music I play inside, so we now do copyright. But look how in the same. Big up our massive respect. You understand? Cool now, man. That is it. Jamaica walk by. Oh, you mean? You can't lock your door. Yeah. Mad thing. We outside. Yeah, man, when you turn it up. Oh, you turn it off the music. Alright, the music cut. Look good now, man. Yeah, my teacher, you can go up on yourself if you don't want to catch another video a little bit. Look good. I wish Baba won that chair, yeah. Yeah, this man I say, he like plants. Film table different. Oh, you mean? Big up, big up, big up, big up. Look good now, man. A rich barber shop. In a bright and pretty. Yeah. A comfortable spot this man. Yeah. Look good now, man. Figure that. Oh, you mean? Some massive writer, so they say a proper fix. So if you know, say you start place, so you fall if you are going to get married tomorrow and you want to start out the proper way, come here so for the proper fix. You understand? Look good now, man. How much Baba will understand you? Ayo. Boy, me I tell you to blouse and skirt. The man carry out in garden. Look good now, man. When I tell me that one, they're real, but they're real, brother. Yeah, the ladies say any man who has to take care of plants, they will take care of you. So, we are endorsing. Why your Instagram?
My Instagram?
Yeah.
Father Roots is my Instagram.
That's your Instagram?
Yeah.
Them girl gone broke their neck in your DM.
Yeah.
See, they say we're not there just to the man, them, we're there for the woman, them too, you know, man. Look good, no, man. Yes, if a man did them things, you know, say him out take care of you. You understand? So big up yourself, my teacher. Respect and love every time. I like how the barbershop just set up. It just relax and cozy, you know? Yeah. No joke thing, man. Church Avenue. You follow Jamaica Walk By?
Right, of course.
Yeah, man.
Here, man.
Oh, you mean proper fix? You see me?
You're going down to roads.
Yeah, man. And let me see you, man, that man. Yeah, man. Figure that, see that? I know, see it.
One time we drive from Kingston
yeah, me do enough drive up Stone Hill last out of place. Yeah. So see that? I know me there in a foreign and a phone the place me there in dance and a blast same way. Proper fix. Massive, listen to me, I'm telling you guys. Anyway you see person will support me, you see me pull up on them and fall, just to come support them. You understand? When I pass the barbershop for full. You understand? Crazy amount of things I want. Today's a Thursday, so man them probably just a easy and a weekend there and go burn up. Cause me know the thing, for instance, a barbershop you can tell. Say, a line them have to go have join up out or so. You understand? You see how the place is. But yeah, them not for worry neither.
Halloween that's done, so you know, the people them cut already.
See it there?
And they come back from Miami and some go on Trinidad and Tobago. But after from today, shop full.
Yeah, that is it.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean? And you can't wait outside, man. Can watch the TV through glass.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. Just wait in the line. The biggest TV we ever see on the avenue. 85. I look up on the way where they set it, man. People turn up out and watch a game. Yo, so big up on yourself, manners and love, respect for the support, you understand? Yeah, that is it. Outside, you hear that?
Nice establishment over there in the 90s.
Over that?
Yeah, they got a
so,
juice bar.
On a further than this ago, I think I done it Avenue done?
5 blocks, man. You have to go to
man going there, you walk
gotta
anywhere
walk
right now. That is the man is doing.
The end of Church Avenue, Bob Marley Boulevard.
All right, then we are go there.
Yeah.
Straight we are go walk. Yeah, where's that? Just go and see where. Figure that our bishops in. Yeah, not joke thing. Look good. What you mean, man? We just a roll.
Left hand side. 56, he said 56.
56.
56 is what is it? What is it? It's a little yard, nice fish spot. Right there.
We need that number.
96 where? 90, I mean 56.
Yeah, well, let you tell about that.
Mama gear. But me not read it out on this door, but I tell her.
Yeah, because, you want for the call.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, massive. So we're outside. So massive, right now we're up on Church Avenue. I mean, I tell you, say, no joke thing so far it's lit. Only one down far so far. You understand? And the whole I see what go on already. I mean, not like that. I mean, burn that out. You understand? Yeah, me not like how indeed me a while ago. Yeah, don't have Fisherman Cove. Yeah, me not like that look of vibe that we are going out a while ago. I don't know who the person is, but from me stepping in a place and you see camera or something like that, you run, man. Not even find out what go on. You understand me, G? Not even ask me, say, yo, what go on? What's that? You know, I could have explained and I say, then after you could have said, all right, no, you know, we don't really want any advertisement. So one at a time.
Party and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Some get together?
No, it was a restaurant, you know. So I walk and I give persons free advertisement on the YouTube channel, you know. And the worst part of it, somebody told me about the place, so I should go there. So when I saw it across the street, I'm like, oh yeah, I should be going inside. I'm going to the bar and I say, hey, what are you doing? Come. I mean, I say, by the time if you say it's Jamaica, I say, ah, no, come out. And it was like this, being very disrespectful around me. So I'll be like, yo, John, just come out. Bless up, bro. Yeah. Yeah, man, I never like that.
56.
Oh, 56 on the left hand side. Yeah. So massive walking. Woo! Place cool like ice. Yeah. Church Avenue. This is what it looks like. I always hear people that talk about them places and now we are walk it and I see it for yourself. What you mean? And all of my supporters them walk with me. Yeah. Oh, that's the place he was talking? Oh, it locked. Sunshine. I'm just gonna go over there. Yeah. So one of the guys did a talk about this spot right here, so. But it closed. So when him watch back this, him can see so we actually did come. See that lock right now. Yeah. Smash. When him can, when they're too close to it, I can't really see it. What? What does it say? I'm trust me, I'm struggling. I'm not sure where to stop. But yeah, this is it. Big up every time, look good. I see the Jamaican flag there and thing hanging off, but it's closed right now. So another time, respect. I want Jamaican carry this I know. Oh, me know. Man have a flag on the window. Yeah. Bless up.
All right.
Respect. Yeah, me soon want a bathroom break, you know. No doubt, man. I swear. Outside. So massive, I'm telling you, the experience in America has been great so far, regardless of every other little things, but so far, it's just perfect. Love it. Oh, you mean? Check out my sheet, man. Blouse, skirt. Shadow, yeah. Yeah. Easy. Yeah, massive. Foreign. Look good now, man. I love so the place them look like this. Whoa. Look now, man. So some music did I play right there, so. It don't look like it's a Jamaican restaurant, but I see Caribbean sunshine right there. So we can just go in there, but this is nice, yo. I just love the look of here. Yeah. I mean, I wait for the light. So I say I play some music in there, so you know the thing go. Yeah. wonder how far they're from Bob Marley Boulevard though. Oh, there's a Dunkin' Donuts out. Me honestly, don't get me wrong, I love Dunkin' Donuts, but Krispy Kreme, I just have my money there. I swear to God. Love Dunkin' Donuts, them is okay, but it's a Krispy Kreme. Ha! Something about them there. I mean, I see no Krispy Kreme over here. No? Don't see not one. So, I wonder if Bob Marley Boulevard start. Let's go look. Best up. So we walk massive. Too much person been talking about Bob Marley Boulevard. So we walk. Yeah. I'm not supposed to cross yet still, but you know if it's clear. Let's see. Some green. Alright, it's on red now. Let's go, man. The garden. Check it. What do you mean? So I saw one Jamaican flag over there, so like what's the name? Let me see. So, but the music I play over there, serious copyright music. Them the oldies mix them. So Ken and Ken's Caribbean cuisine, right over there, so yeah. So, but probably check them out, but let me see. I see if I can go over there, so wait till it start and work again. Yeah, rocks on the light. Wait till the light change. When the light change, we go over there. Yeah. Light takes so long to change. My time is now. Let's see what I get. Alright, so look what I go on. Can you see jerk pan out the door, you know? Alright, the music cut, the music cut. Figure that, the music cut. Yes, I. Big up on manners and respect, yeah, that's it. Figure that. Me can't see flag and not come over here. You understand? Me can't see flag and not come over here. You understand? I want Jamaica walk by. I mean at them town like I'm a yard. You understand? Big up all my Jamaican massive them in our place. Respect me, G. You understand? We hear the music, we see the flag, we know it's a yard thing. Madly, figure that. Yes, so massive. You see another place that look good, all the tile them pretty. Look no man, look good no man. Yeah. Look at my shoes.
Yeah, man.
Shoes comfortably on them ground, look good no man. All the tile pretty. How pick out them tile? Where the guy there?
Ken Kuzi.
Where the guy there?
See how they know, Ken Kuzi.
Ken, come, Ken, where you gone?
5-6 rims.
Me say, look good now, man. Yeah. All the bosses, touch it now, man. One love and respect. Jamaica walk by. Me I endorse and blast you know. Look now, man. Me say from me see flag, me know what time is it. Me know say Jamaica time. Look good now, man. I want Jamaica walk by. Look good now, man. What you mean? Music I play, no one jerk pan that out the door. Half a jerk chicken in there, if I not jerk chicken, I jerk pork. Easily. A clean plate. Ken, come in, man. Big up yourself. We have to endorse and blast. You understand? I want to sell the place. You know what thing go. For your seat.
I'm boss.
Figure that.
One love
so,
say.
that is it, so Ken. A great things are going. The place nice. All the tile them pretty.
Yes.
Look good now, man. Yeah, me look on the food them. Look, it's a nice clean place. Seafood, chicken, all type of sauce. Look, man. A curry goat, this me see it.
Curry goat.
Know that curry chicken, stew chicken. Jaja know.
And we have a jerk chicken outside, straight from here.
Yeah, but we can't pass the oxtail.
Yeah, man.
You figured that? Oh, you mean? Look good now, man. Outside, me they see the jerk chicken, fried dumpling, all them type of things, vegetable, pasta. Oh, you mean? You see, you're work now, man. Let's do this. Let's do this, man. Look good now, man. Oh, you mean? Look good. Look good.
Authentic style.
Look good.
Real. Ken, we say.
That is it.
5-6 rims right?
Figure, you're working, you're working. Yeah. See it a massive if I know. Look how me, you see it? And that's why I always love follow my mind. You know. Look good now, man. See there? Ken's Caribbean cuisine. You can't miss it. See all the number there? Then upon DoorDash, me ask her if she do DoorDash. See that? Where's the DoorDash and everything up and running, right?
Uber from
Yeah, I saw.
walk foot delivery, drive, we can deliver to.
Figure that.
And place your order. 347-365-7753.
Figure that. Oh, you mean? Me have Jamaicans them to the world. No joke, no doubt. You hear that? No joke. Look there. Just come in and just buy out the place. Me tell you, say all the time them pretty. You think a normal chap? Oh, you mean? If you don't have enough money, bring your car. The ATM is here. Oh, you mean? And that's my thing there. Anyway, me yard people them, me have to give them love and respect. Figure that. Oh, you mean? Big up the flag anyway. You me tell them every day and I say, once you put a Jamaican color, the Jamaican flag, you automatically sell the place. Oh, you mean? Can see that? I see now know so over here something for coming now. Yeah. Yeah, so all of my Jamaican massive, me then Ken's cuisine. Yes, that is it. And when I see some camera not tell a lie, and me just when me start roll, me no lock off. So I don't know where it goes. So everything I wanna see, I wanna get, and this is it. Alright? Can we seal it one more time? All your friends now hide our face. For beautiful people don't shy. Right. Big up yourself every time. One Jamaica walk by, you still come out. Yeah, I do. Yeah, man. The people we see you. You go along. Yeah, oh, chef, big up yourself, Mr. Management. Respect for come through. Jamaica walk by. Figure that.
One love. Big up.
She silent round them. Oh, but she walk with me, man. Big up yourself. You hear that? Oh, you mean? No joke, no doubt. Figure that. Yeah. Look good now, man. Look good. Look good. Look good. Nice and decent and bevel down. Oh, you mean? We not play with the chop. Yeah, massive. So you know we are move out. And that was great. That was great. So we'll do it. See? Alright. Oh, we can go across. Hold up, hold up. Alright, we're good to go. Yeah, so we're still up on Church Avenue. I got you. No joke, no doubt. What you mean? We're walking at them town like our yard. Figure that. Yeah. So big up. What's the name of the spot again? Ken and Ken's. Ken and Ken's Cuisine. Yeah, big them up every time. Good boss. You understand? I rate the hustle. She not afraid of the camera. The general not afraid neither. The place clean and pretty. And when I see my camera no lie. When I see it was a vibe a while ago, so when I see a real people them. You understand? And we just sell the realness and we are going to great people them advertisement, same speed, no doubt, no joke. Figure that. Oh, you mean? So we still walk Church Avenue. We're going to some very busy parts, some lonely parts, same way, and some more part upon it, like it's a house community type of part and thing. But we still walk through, we still go through. Whole heap of free AC out the door, but we can't get enough of and thing. So it's just beautiful. How you mean? So massive, I don't know which part on Church Avenue me I go stop, but we just walk until my mind says stop or until the memory card full. Yeah. Big up my supporters them right now in the premiere same way. As a video you go and drop, you go and enjoy the vibe. Big up Barry Walking Exercise. My teacher wanna subscribe to Barry Walking Exercise. Yo bro, we still live on it. Manners. Yeah, we pass a youth up on the top, you know. You know, so I don't realize that we see one. Yeah. Catch you made in iPhone a while ago, but yeah, massive. We still live on it. So massive, if you're not yet subscribed to Barry Walking Exercise, may I ask you if you go over to Barry Walking Exercise and give him a subscribe. You want to get him watch our up and running. Yeah. Figure that. Big up Miss Elizabeth. Yeah. That is it. Look over there. Woo. Hold on, can we go? Yeah. Oh. Massive, you see how far and big? Nice. Popeyes. This our bread. But oh, so the road is set up. What you mean? In a them town like our yard. Yeah. So we are going through. So we just show you exactly what Church Avenue looks like. You know, we're going to some shops, we're going to some restaurant, we're going to barber shop. We heal up with Jamaican them on the street, seeing where people are walk to and from. The festivity, all of them things there. You know the thing go. Who we can talk to, we talk to as we walk through. All natural, all real. You know the vibe go. Yeah, massive. So everybody we walk with, we know you see exactly what go on. If you used to visit the side, the Church Avenue side, and a long time you don't see it, Yeah, you get a chance now to see it again on Jamaica Walk By. Exactly what it looked like. Wow. It's a record shop this. Music I play straight. I don't know, I see some Rasta colors there and thing. Yeah. 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 Why Church Avenue look like it just start back again, like it just start plugging in again. Yeah, so our next marketplace over there. Look like a place turn up again, boy. Some people are prepared for the Christmas right now. Yep. You see the Christmas thing then start roll out on sale. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, down the side they kind of have a look like 4th Avenue. Yeah. It's a bakery, this is nice. Bless me, G. Respect. Jamaican. Big up yourself, my bro. You have to be a Jamaican. They look alone. There's a natural juice and thing. Yeah. A Jamaica Walk By. Me a YouTuber from yard, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man. Jamaica Walk By, is it? Big up every time, bro. Huh? Oh, yeah? You're on Instagram? Can I give you a shout out? I'm actually recording now. Let me give you a shout out, man. Yeah. So what's your Instagram?
Red Shot Black Star.
Red Shot Black Star.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. What you do?
I do calisthenics. Health is wealth.
Oh, yeah. So all these are your products, natural juice and thing.
So we are educating these people today that Western tradition style is no good.
Yeah.
Too much sugar in the drinks, and these are the things that are making them obese and get vegan, sick.
Yeah.
Food and all them. Some
cool.
I want them to realize back to nature, you know?
Yeah.
Like this year, this is a cucumber and celery, but it freeze here now. But
this is cucumber and what?
and celery and sea moss.
Sea moss.
Yeah,
oh.
These are the spirulina.
Spirulina. Yeah, man. That spirulina, is it.
Sea moss with pear. Excellent. After the Berlin in your life.
Figure that.
Front lifter. That means if you're dead like Nazareth.
It's a front lifter.
Yeah, man. Today,
yeah. Oh, you mean look good now, man. Yeah, all right. So, but you see me now?
Sauce up with coconut water.
Sauce up with coconut water and thing like that. Sea moss.
It's a cancer fighter, so you know.
Yeah. I've never tried anything like that. When I'm passing back, I'm definitely gonna try this one though. Yeah. This one, I'm gonna make sure I try this one because with the sauce up with the coconut water and sea moss, yeah, that's all.
Also with high blood pressure.
Yeah.
Man have high blood pressure, diabetic, a problem with the kidney.
Yeah.
And the liver and them things, the urine tract and them things. So we deal with all the herbs them and them things, to deal with them things. But our people are some wicked people. Because why? A man like Dr. Sebi, we bring life to people. And then wait for Dr. Sebi to dead. We analyze Dr. Sebi. See when we in the community, the Richard Black Star.
Yeah.
And they might give you a fight, but still say you have to get a fight in this your life.
Yeah, if you don't get fight, you don't do nothing good.
You don't do nothing good, so you don't know.
Respect are massive. So, what's your name again?
Red Shot Black Star.
Figure that.
Fit over 50. I am the earth man. Since I am that is, that was, that will always be what it is. A servant unto the Most High, God, my Creator. There is no other but one God. I'm in a serve man, in a worship man, one power, one overstanding. The nations of the world will get punished. And as you see, the judgment is already fulfilling upon them.
Yeah.
Because they are wicked unto the Most High people and put us in captivity. They are selling rainwater, coconut water, all kind of water themselves do. And even life on oxygen. They are putting into a tank and they will sell you that. They will sell you the mama. If that means
yeah, big up yourself, teacher. Respect for the reason, you hear that? Love always from us. Same speed. Yeah, I like the words when I talk in mind, I talk what I think, and all of that, you know? Yeah. Famo, I'm always recording, you know. It's Jamaica Walk By, big up yourself.
I do it, man.
Yeah.
What's his name from Kenya?
Oh, Marwa.
Yeah.
Yeah, and his sister, D. Yeah, big up every time. Where are you from?
The voice I heard, man. I'm right on the block down here.
Yeah. Big up every time. Respect and thanks for the support, alright?
Definitely.
Cool, respect. Yeah, man. That is it. So we're still on Church Avenue, you know? Yeah. Yes, mommy, come out in your grade. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, man, Church Avenue. So you know, the night is upon us a little bit. But we just go through to see how far we can go. And thing. Yeah, man, as my teacher. Bala. Yeah. Woo! Let me see that name. Oh, our next Golden Cross. Yeah, you don't know, big up my Golden Cross, massive them. Blessed Godfather, blessed. Yeah, what you mean? Church Avenue, we are go through. But Church Avenue is massive. So anybody in the comment section has ever walked Church Avenue before? Has ever taken on this stretch of the road? Like, I don't remember ever seeing a video of anything like this. Oh, juice and things. I just want to big up this restaurant from over here. Yeah, just glimpse them juice and things down there. Yeah, respect. Yeah, I'm just trying to go into some of them where I can and some I can't. I don't know it. Oh, with the 90s now. 90s today, yeah. All right, my thing, respect. Cool, cool. Yeah. So they say over here are the real 90s now. Yeah. Yeah, massive. So we're outside. Woo! We're outside, massive. Look good now, man. They got that. So massive, we're over by the 90s right now. So it's still Church Avenue, but then call over here so 90s. You understand? You probably hear it in a lot of the videos them where they talk about 90s. So over here so. Yeah. Oh, you mean? Yeah, massive. So we just walk through, we see what go on, how the place look, how the place set up. Yeah, we can cross. Woo, look at this. Massive, it just open and road broad and thing. Woo. Yeah, man. So massive, when you see how far we're there, we soon have to go figure out how we get back. Yeah. Yeah, man. Hey, my friend, that is one of the things I can't. You want to talk to them sometimes, but she have the earpiece in her 2 ears and her eye was in the phone. So me trying to talk to her was a no-no because she don't hear me and she never sees me talk to her, so I can't even blame her right now. I notice that a lot over here, so it make it hard for you to talk to persons on the street. Oh God. Yeah. And him supposed to be cautioned because you were supposed to walk, you see? Yeah. Yeah. So massive right here is the end of Church Street. So look good. Church Avenue, Bob Marley Boulevard. I will walk the entire thing. You know what I mean? Look good. I don't even. So all of this are 90s. So you saw the 90s, you know? Yeah, it's a different vibe down the side there. Yeah. No joke. Alright, so massive we'll go over the restaurant there and thing. So we're up and walk you know, so. Yeah, mom, touch it back a little bit. So we're there 90s. Yeah. Oh, you mean? It's a vibe. Woo! No joke. So look which at me and stop right here now. Yeah. Yeah, massive. No joke, no doubt. Oh, here's the sign. Lot Avenue. You understand? E98th Street. How you mean? Yeah, massive. So you don't know, big up to everybody who stay tuned and enjoy this walk, enjoy this video. It has been crazy. It has been a long walk. We've been walking for hours. So big up. It has been nothing but joy. Big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch a full video from we start to every place. So we stop. Everybody who will big up all of them good things there. You understand? Look good. Me outside in a them town like I'm a yard. You understand? Big up my general 10th floor. I walk with me through the whole video and them thing they don't really show up on the camera more than so. Because you know him stay already. Him just want to go through and easy back and just take in what I go on and make sure that Jamaica walk by good. Know me I go and know what we are doing. You understand? Yes, so we're there. And I just want to say big up to everybody where I support Jamaica walk by from day one. And I also want to say big up and respect to all of the newcomers. If you've been watching the video thus far and you don't give this video a thumbs up, please may I ask you to do it right now. Give this video a thumbs up and comment. Drop a comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 comments, alright? In the comment section. See? So, mad love, mad respect. And remember, go over to Jamaica Walk by TV on Instagram. We're going to be going live over there more often on Instagram. So please, I'm asking you to do so. See? Yeah. Jamaica Walk by TV on Instagram. Cool? So, also follow Jamaica Walk by on Instagram and TikTok. Jamaica Walk by TV on TikTok and Jamaica Walk by on Instagram. We said that again. Jamaica Walk by TV on TikTok and Jamaica Walk by on Instagram. Go and follow the channel. We're going live a lot on TikTok and things like that. Also, we're going to do something new. We're going to have a next channel called Jamaica Walk by Live. Right? We're going to actually walk through the towns and stuff like that, but we're going to do it live. Live. So you can comment what you want me to do. If there's a place that you want me to go inside of, we can do it live together. You understand? So you see exactly what I go on. You see me? Yeah, no doubt. The only thing is, you know that over there won't be 4K and we might have some connection problems sometimes, but it's going to be live and you know what I go on. See? So mad love, mad respect. It has been great in America. Church Avenue, big up to all the restaurants, all the people that allow me to go inside of them place to actually get the video done and make it be a success. Walking through this community and neighborhood, you understand? So, mad love always. Big up to all the massive from Queen, all the massive from Brooklyn. It has been great and we just want to say thanks to keep on supporting Jamaica Walk By. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, please my beg you subscribe because subscription is completely free. See me? So yeah, that is it. Big up Lexi anyway, you're my partner in crime. Big up, you don't know, little Jamaica Walk By, Kylie and my daughter. Big up all my massive from Jamaica. I love you know. Straight, see? Yeah. So mad love, mad respect. We're outside. And we're gonna try to make it back. You see me? So yeah. So other way that we are gonna go and we are gonna go back that direction the scene. So let's go. Oh, it's us right now. No, you try. Hold up. You don't look where I do. Eh? Look where I do my teacher. Alright. Oh, what does I say? Red. Full time to again.